So guys, for today's video, today our 4th day here in Thailand. Kaiti! Last money! Magti-train tayo guys for today's video. For only 20 baht. Let's go!
Here.
Welcome to Cha-Cha-Cha! So yun guys, nakain muna tayo gamit ang cash card. Bago mag-shopping! How much this?
85. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ
Bili tayo ng mango sticky rice yung pang dessert natin guys. Nice! Mango sticky rice. So guys, sobrang mura dito. Sobrang sobra. Hanapin nyo to. Yan o yan.